We are proud to announce the successful commissioning of a grooved Hearth furnace system at NOIDA SEZ. Hardening Furnace, Tempering Furnace, Water Quench Tank, and XYZ Manipulator. Hardening Furnace operating up to 1050 degrees Celsius with 5+1 metric ton capacity, ensuring ±5 degrees Celsius temperature uniformity with PLC-based automation. Tempering furnace up to 650 degrees Celsius, delivering consistent and controlled cycles. Charging system handles up to 7 metric ton load with smooth hydraulic operation for efficient loading and unloading. Fast and precise quenching, achieved within 30 seconds from furnace to water immersion, powered by a robust hydraulic system, ensuring reliability and performance. High precision, excellent repeatability, built for demanding alloy steel applications. JR Furnace and Ovens, engineering heat, powering industries.